Hello everyone and welcome to Super Fun English. If you're a mom, if you're a preschool teacher, if you're a caregiver to your kids and you are struggling to teach 44 phonic sounds to your kids, then this video is for you. In this video, I have explained all the tried and tested ways to teach 44 phonic sound easily to your kids. So watch this video till the end, like this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so in future you get all the notifications from my channel. So tip number 1, follow the particular sequence or pattern. As I always tell you that phonics is not something that you teach randomly to your kids. Rather you should follow a particular sequence or a particular pattern. So how to introduce 44 phonic sounds to your kids? What should be your first step? Your first step is to introduce the letter sound, the basic letter sound like a, b, k. So this is the tip number 1, introduce the basic letter sound. The tip number 2, then you can introduce the very easy blending. The blending is what? We are blending the different letter sounds. And we have the very simple one. The very simple blending is ma, a, t. We are blending 3 sounds together. Meanwhile, I want to tell you that I have made a separate video on this topic, segmenting and blending. You can get the video link in the I button or in the description box. Please watch this video to get the concept about segmenting and blending. Tip number 3 is introduce the short vowels. Most of the English words has vowel in it, so they need to have the concept of the vowel and the consonant. Now how to introduce short vowels, how to make them practice, what type of worksheet you should give to introduce the short vowels. On that topic I have made a separate video. The link you will get in the I button and in the description box. Please watch that video too so you get all the creative ideas to introduce short vowel to kids. Next we will introduce the long vowel sounds. Once they are done with the short vowel, the simple concept, we will introduce the long vowel sound. The long vowel sound is when the 2 vowels are coming together and we are getting a sound. So what type of sound we are getting and how to join these 2 vowels together? I have made a video on long vowels as well. At the very initial stage, how you should introduce the long vowel and what are the activities that you can do, what are the storytelling or whatever you can do with the kids. Everything idea you will get from this video which you can see in the I button. Next tip is, once you are done all this concept, then you can teach them the digraph. So digraph, what is digraph and how to use digraph, what are the words that have digraph and what are the different variety of digraph. I have made again a detailed video on it. So everything you will get in the I buttons and in the description box. So yes, I can give you the glimpses of what is digraph, but to get the whole knowledge, to get the whole idea, you should watch that video and I'm very sure that will be very much helpful for you. Next, we will introduce them the little advanced one, which is the schwa sound concept. The schwa sound concept is very interesting and there was no fixed rule to introduce schwa sound to kids, but they have to learn by using their auditory memory. So by reading and by listening, they will learn this concept. Which concept? Schwa sound concept. So what is schwa sound? The concept was schwa sound, how to identify schwa sound, everything I have given you in a video form. So video link again you will get in the I button and in the description box. I would request you to watch the full phonic playlist where you will get entire idea about how should you introduce phonic to your kids. I would request you to please watch this whole playlist, so that will be extremely beneficial for you. So once they are done with the schwa sound, the next tip I will give you to introduce R control vowel. So R control, we know the letter sound R is R, but when the R control vowel, when the R sound comes just after a vowel, they form a single sound. Both the sounds merging together and they form a single sound. Like car, ka, so here the vowel is and the so and coming together, r. So this comes the R control vowel. The whole purpose of teaching all these rules and all this concept is to make them a good reader, to make their pronunciations very good. The last tip I will give you to follow the Jolly Phonics group set. So in the Jolly Phonics we have 1 to 7 set to introduce different kind of sounds. So the first group start with the same way we have the group 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will follow this Jolly Phonics set where the child can easily relate with the different type of phonic sounds. They can easily relate the diphthongs, the digraph, the blends and everything. So their learning becomes very much strong and beautiful. And as a phonic and grammar trainer, my wish is to make my student phonic and grammar learning journey very much smooth and very much beautiful. So for this reason I am making this video, so because I want you to be aware of that how we can introduce all this concept to our kids in a playful way. Yes, we have all the rules, we have all the everything, but when we give something in a form of puzzles, in a form of games, in a form of activity, in a form of worksheet, they learn it better. Next, you can give them the diphthongs one, which is the little advanced ones. Don't give them at the initial stage. The diphthong ones you should introduce at the advanced level or in the intermediate level, so they can relate with the different type of sounds and how many diphthongs we have, how to give the diphthongs worksheet, what are the diphthongs activities. For that a separate video is ready for you. Just you have to do click on this link and you will get the whole idea of diphthong. So let's do one thing. My next video is about the diphthongs. Let's watch this video, try out those activities and do let me know how it goes. Please make sure to share your experience in the comment box. Hope this video is helpful. If you find this helpful, don't forget to share this video with your community, and please do like this video, subscribe and hit the bell button. So I will come very soon with the new topic. Till then, bye bye.